A paid collection can still appear on your credit report because payment does not always remove the account from your credit history. If a collection is still showing after payment, you'll learn why it happens, what information to check, and the steps to take if the account is reported incorrectly. The first thing to understand is that paying a collection and removing a collection are two different things. A payment may update the status of the account, but the collection history can remain on your credit report. Start by checking how the collection is listed. Review the account status, balance, dates, and the company reporting the collection. If the collection shows a balance after you already paid it, gather proof of payment. This can include payment confirmations, receipts, bank records, or letters from the collection company. Next, contact the company that reported the collection. Ask them to verify the account information they sent to the credit bureaus and request a correction if the details are inaccurate. You should also review your credit reports from each major credit bureau, because information can vary between reports. One report may show an update while another may still show older information. If the collection information is incorrect, you can file a dispute with the credit bureau reporting the error. Include documents that support your claim, and explain exactly what information is wrong. Avoid submitting a dispute without evidence. A clear explanation with supporting documents gives the credit bureau specific information to investigate. If the collection is accurate and updated to show payment, it may continue appearing on your report based on credit reporting rules. A paid collection does not automatically disappear just because the balance reaches zero. Be careful with companies that promise to remove all paid collections instantly. Accurate credit information cannot simply be erased without a valid reason. Keep records of every payment, letter, dispute, and response. These records help if you need to follow up with the collection company or credit bureau. The main steps are confirming the collection status, collecting payment proof, contacting the reporting company, and disputing incorrect information. Your next step is to check your credit reports, compare the collection details with your payment records, and take action based on whether the information is accurate. If this helped you understand why collections still show after payment, like the video, and subscribe for more credit score and credit building guides.